First step is removing the seat. I've already done that to save you some boredom, but there's a spot, and if you can see it, there's a spot, and these hook into it. You just squeeze them and the bottom part pops out. And then this popped out of the way, and there's some bolts. 1, 2, 3. I believe these are 14 millimeter, I'm not sure. But you undo those and then undo this, and the seat comes forward, or off rather. You lift it off and push it out of the way. I left it in because I didn't want to fuss with the seat belt, which is still attached. And that's how you get the seat out of the way. I'm probably going to work on that one so that I can pull the carpet out. I know that a lot of these will have a cutout where the fuel pump is, and I'm not entirely sure where it is on this car, but somewhere maybe right in here. And I don't see a cutout, so unfortunately I have to probably pull this out of the way so I can get the carpet back to get to it. And that is that. Always a good idea. Put bolts back where you took them off. Makes it hard to lose them. Alright, next pull the carpet up. Start. Got my 3 screws, set those aside. And the next thing I want to do is disconnect the battery. Fuel, electricity, they don't get along. So one of the problems you might find is you release this, you'll have fuel come squirting out of it. So what you need to do is release a little bit of pressure. First we want to open the fuel cap to release a little bit of pressure on that end. Alright, camera stopped working while I was doing this, so kind of doing a little bit of a reenactment here. I opened the gas cap and that gave a little bit of atmospheric pressure release, so when I pulled these off, no gas came flowing out. And it's simple enough. You just have these little parts here that you have to squeeze in. You might need pliers, and it takes a little effort. Squeeze those in and these will pop off. And then the plastic screw cap, it'll be on there pretty damn good. So you'll have to use, unless you have a special tool for this, you'll have to use something. I've got a long screwdriver, a mallet, that you use to hammer around until it comes loose. This is, like I said, a reenactment thanks to video difficulties, so it's already technically loose, but you get the idea. And it could take a while, and then you'll reach a point where you'll be able to unscrew it all, and you can pull it off. And there's a little washer, so you know what goes inside there. And this we can set aside because the new one comes with a new one of these. So that's that. And then again, make sure you clean around it. And you might want to, well, after we get this out, we'll pull these off because you'll probably have to reuse these. I don't think the new kit comes with these. And try to pull that. Come on. There we go. Well, that comes loose. And set these aside and start pulling it up, you'll have to let some fuel drain out. You want to make sure this goes back in the way it was. So, alright. Remarkably. That. And here you'll see there's also a little hose that connects to the bottom. There's that, and set it gently. There we go. There's the new fuel pump, and this thing was, including tax, a little over $500. So that in itself is probably a good reason to consider doing this job yourself, rather than paying someone to take a seat out, unscrew an old one, and screw this in. So let's take a look at it. Can't believe I'm doing an unboxing here, but I'm going to see what I've got. Alright. Well, pretty straightforward. There's your fuel pump, and there's your float, so this will slide in, and before that have to fit this onto here, and just to make it a little easier to get it on there, we're going to rub a little bit of Vaseline on here, slides it in, Vaseline safe because it's petroleum based, and there's a little bit of a washer gasket in this which will screw on. There we go. There's the new pump. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is put this guy on, and the right way. You can see that side goes up, and this slides all the way up on the new one, and extra tip from the dealership is to take a little bit of petroleum jelly, since it's not going to harm the fuel. It's made from the same stuff as fuel, and run that around there. Just makes it a little easier getting things in there. Try not to spill it everywhere. Alright, so that is that. And now I gotta take these off. Alright, now the new fuel pump. And first we want to reattach our line here. And that goes here. So that's in, and what you're going to do is angle this in, and remember you want this to be oriented where it was, which is about like so. First, let's get the float in there, and the rest in there. There's no dirt on this thing. Right. And this. Make sure it's not folded up around here. And the next trick is getting this on without it popping back up on you. Yeah. Keep holding down. And right. now, there's that. And what I want to do is to get this as tight as it was, is to use this and go the other way. Might be good. Alright. Now, the next step is you got to pull those pieces off of here, off of the old one to put on here, so you have something to clamp these down on. Alright. So these need to come off of here. There you go. Connector here. But you get the idea. Let's see if we got ourselves a running vehicle. No fuel pump.